So it's 6 o'clock on day 2 at Build Qatar Live 2012. Stephen, I understand that one of your construction blog posts has been particularly popular. Whilst we're in a little bit of a lull here, do you want to talk me through your BIM Bingo slides?
Yeah, let's go for it. We're all waiting to get on one particular machine to do some work, so here's a little trip through 10 slides that every BIM presentation has to have. I'm not sure if you can see the screen, but the most important one clearly is the Bew-Richards wedge. I think if this slide isn't actually in a BIM presentation, you should be kicked out of the conference. It's that important.
Is that akin to killing fluffy kittens?
No, that one comes in a moment. That comes in a moment. Then, of course, you've got to talk about crash detection, and what better way to demonstrate crash detections than with that fantastic magenta colour that everyone knows from sort of CFAX and teletext from the 1980s. Two BIM bingo points if you got both of those slides in. Third, every BIM presentation needs to have the BIM circle of life. It's like the presenter talking to the audience, like the Lion King father talking to the sort of Lion King cub. That whole sort of circle of life. We're not happy with 3D. We went to 4D, then 5D, then 6D. If you really want to show how clever you are with BIM, you need to go as high as you possibly can. A little bit like Ben Stiller in Something About Mary, where you talk about the 6-minute abs. What about the 5-minute abs? Well, I've come up with a new idea, the 4-minute abs. You can keep on going as many Ds as you want. And then, of course, there's the kitten killer, building information model. You're saying the word model twice and everyone will snigger in the audience and talk about killing kittens. It's the same as a CMS system or a PIN number, personal identification number, building information model. You can go a little bit further and talk about the building information model. So a BIM information model. Or maybe be a bit more American about it. Get rid of the problem altogether and call it the BI model. Maybe do that one day. And then this guy, Kobe Carl, probably the most important person worldwide when it comes to BIM. Little did this chap know that when his photograph was taken, it would actually go worldwide in fame. And then you need a good BIM pun, really. BIM credible development, BIM-tastic solutions. Actually, Paul Morrell used BIM will fix it, which I thought was slightly on the edge. But I think we presented in Singapore once, and we got I don't know, a little certificate saying it was like a BIM-tastic presentation. What we got here, comparing the construction industry to another industry. Like automobiles are a really common one, but the fact, I think constructing 12 million Nissan Micras is slightly easier in terms of getting your process right than constructing one sort of building where 6 or 7 consultants are working together for the first time and all hate each other. You need to have some, if you really want to prove the benefits of BIM, you need a complex chart that nobody in the audience understands. Get one of these charts up and you've really sort of proven your case. And then finally, the 10th BIM Bingo slide comes from showing a building that nobody else in the world has ever had a chance to design. So ideally some skyscraper with the sun glinting off it. Fantastic visualization. So there's the 10 BIM Bingo slides that every BIM presentation needs.
And does every BIM presentation also need an apple?
An apple. This is my tea.
Thanks very much, Stephen. BIM Bingo. Get it on your blog at
constructionclode.blogspot.com.
Thanks very much, Stephen.